Hi, I am Atul. Today we discuss on a topic profit and loss. Now we see the examples here. The cost price of 44 jar is equal to the selling price of 24 jars. What is the total profit percent in this transaction? What is the total profit percent in this transaction? Now here we know the cost price of 44 jars. Now cost price means CP. Cost price of 44 jar is equal to selling price of 24 jar is equal to selling price of 24 jar is equal to selling price of 24 jar. Now here we get the ratio of cost price and selling price. Now we find the ratio of cost price upon selling price is equal to 24 upon 44. 24 upon 44. Now we minimize this ratio. Now here 4 6 are 24 and 11 4 are 44. Now this ratio is 6 upon 11. Now here we directly take the cost price as a 6 and selling price as a 11. We directly take cost price is 6 and selling price is 11. Now here we purchase the article at 6 rupees and we sell it at 11 rupees. Now here your profit is 5 rupees. Your profit is 5 rupees. Now here we find the total profit percent in this transaction. Now we find the total profit percent in this transaction. Now here we know the formula of profit percent. Profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price into 100. Profit upon cost price into 100%. Now here your profit is 5 and cost price is 6. Your profit is 5. Cost price is 6 into 100%. Now here we get 2 3s are 15 to the 100. We get the multiplication 15 into 5 is 215 upon 3%. Now here we get we solve this. Then 3 8 are 24. Remaining is 1. 3 3s are 9. Remaining is 1.3. Now here your answer is 83.3%. Now your answer is 83.3%. This is your answer. 83.3%. This is your answer. Now next, same. The selling price of 40 article is equal to the cost price of 60 article. Selling price of 40 article is equal to cost price of 60 article. Find the profit percent here. Same, selling price of 40 article. Now here we SP of 40 article. Selling price means SP. Selling price of 40 article is equal to cost price of 60 article. We get the ratio of selling price and cost price. Then SP upon CP is equal to 60 upon 40. We minimize this ratio. Then here 23 is a 60, 22 is a 40. This ratio is 3 upon 2. Now we get selling price directly as a 3 and cost price directly as a 2. Now your selling price, we take selling price is 3 and your cost price is 2. Now here we purchase the article at 2 rupees and we sell it at 3 rupees. Now here your profit is 1 rupees. Now here we find the profit percent. Then profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price. Cost price into 100%. Now here your profit is 1 rupees on a cost price 2 rupees. Your profit is 1 rupees on a cost price of 2 rupees into 100%. Now here we solve 2 50. Now your answer is 50%. Now your answer is 50%. Then profit percent is 50%. Profit percent is, your profit percent is 50%. This is your answer. Now next, same here. Same here we find the cost price of 16 article is equal to selling price of 18 article. Cost price of 16 article, CP of 16 article is equal to selling price of 18 article. Here selling price of 18 article. Now here we get the ratio of CP and SP, that is cost price upon selling price. Cost price upon selling price is equal to 18 upon 16. We minimize this ratio. Then here 9 upon 8. 9 upon 8. Now here we directly take cost price is 9 rupees and your selling price is 8 rupees. We directly take cost price is 9 rupees and selling price is 8 rupees. Now here we purchase the article at 9 rupees and sell it at 8 rupees. Here your loss. Here your loss. Then your loss is 1 rupees. Here your loss is 1 rupees. Then we find the loss percent. Here loss percent. Now here we find the loss percent is equal to loss upon CP. Loss upon CP, that is cost price into 100%. Loss upon CP into 100%. Now here your loss is 1 rupees and your cost price is 9. That is 1 upon 9. Your loss is 1. Cost price is 100 into 100%. Then we get 100 upon 9%. 100 upon 9%. That is here 9 ones are 9. Remain 1 9 here. 9 ones are 9. Remain 1 9 ones are 9. Point 11%. 11.11% or 11 1 upon 9%. Here A or N. 11.11%. Your answer is 11.11%. Now next. Here, the cost price of an article is 80% of selling price. Cost price of article is 80% of selling price. Then what is the profit percent? Or then what is the profit percent? Now here cost price of an article, that is CP of article, is 80%. 80% of selling price. 80% of selling price. Here 80% of selling price. Now here we find the value. Now here CP is equal to 80% means write as 80 upon 100 of ESP of ESP. Now we get the ratio of CP upon SP. Then we CP upon SP is equal to selling cost price upon selling price is equal to 80 upon 100. That is 24 the 80, 25 the 100. Now here we directly take the cost price is 4 and selling price is 5. Now here directly take cost price is 4 and selling price SP is 5. Selling price is 5. Selling price is here 5. Now here we find the profit percent. Here we find the profit percent. Here profit percent is equal to profit upon CP, cost price into 100%. Now here your profit is here profit is 1 rupees. Profit is 1. Your cost price is 4. Then here we write profit is 1, cost price is 4 into 100%. That is 25%. Then your profit percent is 25%. Now your answer is 25%. Your answer is 25%.